22 banks, yeah. Hey YouTube, what's the deal? I am back with another tutorial. I have a 22-inch deep wave full 360 lace wig from MsCoCo. Okay, so we're gonna put this wig on my beautiful client here. This look was inspired by Miss Gucci. Ooh, so stay tuned to this tutorial, see how I finish this complete look. So let's keep in mind that this wig is a 360 wig. I actually did glue down her sides. She didn't want the back glued down, so we actually just tacked the back down. As of right now, I'm just pulling out some of her baby hair to just create that soft look. We're not going to do too many baby hairs because that's not how she has her hair. Frontals is not like my niche thing to do. So if you guys see, you know, something that a step that I might be missing, or if you guys want to just jot down some suggestions, just feel free to do that. I am open, because it's just like how I'm doing this tutorial for you guys, I'm actually learning myself. So I'm not the master of lace fronts or frontals and whatnot. So you guys can just keep calm on the comments, you know, because I'm actually learning as I go, and it's nothing wrong with growth. I just want to make that statement. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie these edges on down so that lace can go ahead and seep through there and lay down. By this being a 360 frontal wig from Coco, I'm just going to show you guys how to just play with it, how to just, you know, how you can also create multiple looks with this 360. You don't have to just wear it just basic. You can throw it up in a bun, leave some hair out. I'm going to actually curl this so you guys can see you can just play with it. If you're going on a cute little date with hubby and you want to just wear it up, you can, just to be a little bit versatile. So stay tuned for this updo, and then I'm going to actually slick it on down, and we're going to get the inspired look from Keyshia. Ooh, let's get into this second look. Okay, isn't this gorgeous? Like, even when you take the bun out and she could just wear it, like, it looks so natural. It's so pretty. Ooh, y'all make sure y'all click that link in the description box to go purchase Coco hair. I love it. Okay, so since this look is basically like a wet slick back, she does have a wig on, so we're not just going to pile a whole bunch of water on her hair. We're going to press the hair back so it can actually have that flow of it just being straight back. And then I'm going to spray it so that it can stay like that. And then I'm going to go ahead with a bottle of water and conditioner. And then I'm going to actually spray it on the hair. So this is the wet look. Thank you guys for tuning in to this tutorial. Please turn on your notifications. Thank you guys for subscribing. I love you.